My name's Syreena. My pronouns are she, they, or they, she. And I have been present in the makerspace probably since about March, but I've only been an ambassador since this semester. And I'm a fourth year microbiology student. Makerspace ambassadors are friendly faces that you see in the makerspace that can kind of guide you on your journey through learning how to use it. The idea is that when you come in and you either need help or you don't know where to start or you just have questions, we're kind of your go-to people. It's a very rewarding job because you get to help other people. Having scheduled time in the makerspace every week helps me be more creative and also interact with other people. And I often learn more from the people who come into the makerspace than they learn from me.